Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create mockups with Google Gemini. So they can have 3D mockups of different types. For example, you can see this one. I've created it. Education is changing with AI. I've created this mockup completely free of charge using Google Gemini, and this is the prompt where I gave it. Generate a branded tote bag or shopping bag mockup with the text "Education is changing with AI" clearly printed on the back. Style should be modern, educational, and technology inspired, suitable for academic and so on. Okay, so the details is what gave me this one. So let's say we're going to try another one. All you need is to make sure that in these settings you have selected the right agent, create an image. If you come to new chat, okay, so you can come to these tools here and say create an image. So we're going to use Nano Banana for this. I have another one, a product mockup showing a book cover, a coffee mug, and a t-shirt. Okay, so with this much detail, you can see them. So just go ahead and click on create. Let's give some seconds to see what this is going to give us. And wonderfully, you can see it has given us the mockup: lose weight easily by this, and then this is the lose weight easily cup, mug, and the t-shirt as well. Very clear and very detailed. Look, the background and everything is well structured. Okay, I have another one, this time around a different one. Generate a ceramic mug mockup displaying the title "Yoga Today," and the design should be this much. Use soft, soothing colors, natural light, and a minimalist lifestyle aesthetic. So let's go ahead and generate this, and let's see what we are going to get. It's completely free of charge, and you can download it. You can use it for your own content creation. And take a look at this one on the mug, "Yoga Today," with this photo of a human and well structured. You can see someone doing the yoga in the background. This is very clear and very detailed, very interesting. Let's try one with the face cap. Okay, this one, generate a face cap, baseball cap or mockup featuring the title "AI in Education Today" with this much detail. You can just go ahead and click, and still managing the Nano Banana AI. And you can see it has created it very wonderful. You can see AI in Education Today. If you wear this, anyone you know that you deal with AI directly. So this is for this one. Let's try one last one, which is a combination of books. Okay, generate a realistic mockup of multiple books arranged standing upright, slightly angled, with different titles clearly written on their front covers and spines. Okay, so with this little detail. So let's go ahead and click on this, and let's see what this is going to give us. And you can see fantastically it has created that for us, very well arranged with the detailed AI in Education, Mastering Healthy Habit, Creative Writing Guide. See the arrangement of the books, everything is very well structured and very clearly stated. So you can go ahead and use this Google Gemini to see how you can generate different kind of mockups for your own creation or for your own consumption or for your own marketing material. As you can see, very easily you can click and you have it downloaded on your system. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Google Gemini to create different kind of 3D mockups, which you can use for marketing, for your own content creation, for your own social media posts, and so on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.